Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my new pneumatic pin nailer. And the reason I'm sharing this is because it has a feature I've never seen on a pneumatic tool, and more manufacturers should be using this. It's a pretty cool feature. This video is also sponsored by giftcards.com. Let's get right into this. So here it is, the humble pneumatic pin nailer. Yes, these come in a variety of sizes. You can get a 23 gauge pin nailer like this one, 18 gauge brads, 16 gauge finish nails, and of course on up to framing nailers. But this one has a special feature. Yes, it does work well. I'm going to show you here it works for its intended use, and its special feature will be shown after this. Hey guys, but first I'm going to bring you in here and tell you about this week's video sponsor, giftcards.com. So guys, we've all got those people in our lives that are tough to buy for, right? Come gift time, where it's Christmas or birthday or something like that, yeah, they're tough. So we get them gift cards. And what do? We go to the store, we pick out from the kiosk. Hopefully we've got the right brand. If not, we just go with the standard Visa gift card or something like that. And then we go to the card aisle and put it in a card and write a message and send it off. And that's supposed to be the heartfelt message that we're sending to our hard to buy for loved one, right? But I'm gonna tell you, giftcards.com is changing that. Check this out. You can not only customize the gift card from any denomination from $25 to $500, you can customize it with pictures, words. You can even search through their variety of e-cards that come with it as well. It is so fantastic. You don't have to do all the extra steps. You can do it right there from your phone or your computer. One of my favorite features about their service though is the multi-store gift cards. Let's say you want to shop for someone by genre. Say it's a gift for dad or a gift for your children's teacher, a gift for mom, the shopaholic in your life. All these places can be used in this same gift card. Really cool feature as well. And if you're not shopping by genre, like it's a dad card or a mom card, you can just give back to charity too. These multi-store gift cards with either the Wounded Warrior Project, the Make-A-Wish Foundation, St. Jude's Hospital, all these give 3% back if you buy these multi-store gift cards too. And there's a variety of options to purchase there too, but honestly, that's such a great feature. So I'm gonna invite you, go down below in the description box, click on giftcards.com. Go through this process, buy the person that's hard to buy for in your life a really thoughtful, really customizable gift card that they not only can take to their favorite retailer, but they can use on their online stores as well. And again, don't forget the multi-store gift cards where they can shop multiple places with the same card. Pretty cool feature. Guys, supporting giftcards.com down below, checking them out really helps me make videos in the shop, and I very much appreciate it. I want to thank giftcards.com again. Now, back to the video. For its intended use, it works great. It's a pin nailer and it works well. I've had pin nailers before that misfire a little bit, but this one, it does really well. I will tell you this though, this special feature, I can't believe I haven't seen this on any other pneumatic tool, and it needs to be there, all right? And it has to do with this little button right there. Let me show you what it does. If you've guessed it already, fantastic. You ready? Check this out. So how cool is this? This button right here takes the airflow and releases it through the bottom of the gun, allowing you to clean up all kinds of dust and debris. So cool. So you might be thinking, well, Chris, these things exist, you know? You can just take these and move air across the shop, whatever you want to do. And you'd be right, absolutely. However, I don't treat these with respect like I do my tools. I have places for these, I know where these are organized, and yes, this is a tool, but over the past few years, I've probably lost 2 or 3 of these, and I've had to replace them, and which basically means I have to replace the new nozzle as well, so, and the new fitting. And the fact that this is no longer a unitasker, it is now a multitasker with the ability to use compressed air where you need it in your shop is pretty darn awesome. So I want to pass this on to you guys. What brands do you know? Do you have any tools that do this? Do you have this feature on any of your pneumatic tools? First, I've seen it. I've been in this space for quite a while, and yeah, I just wanted to pay it forward. So I want to thank you guys for joining me for this quick little video. This was one of those things that I thought needed to be seen by the community, and it's so cool. And I think other tool companies need to look at this feature, and I wonder how difficult it would be to put in. I don't know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Remember, giftcards.com down below. I want to thank them for sponsoring the video, and you guys have a wonderful day. Looking forward to talking to you about this in the comments.